Hi, Patricia. I wanted to take a moment and touch base with you about the URL shortener that the code.org instructor on Saturday talked about, and then you said, I've had too much. I want to be able to talk to you in person, but your situation with your child being sick and us kind of not being able to get together, I thought maybe this was a solution to that. So first of all, what I'd like you to do is open up your computer to a Chrome page, and I would like you to find the colored waffle in the corner, and I want you to click on that colored waffle. When you click there, I'd like you to then go and click on the web store. Okay, once you get to the web store, you're going to type in a search, and that search is a URL shortener extension. That's what we're looking for. And when that page comes up, it will look something like this. It's Google URL Shortener. I've added my shortener already to my toolbar, so this portion is green, but it will be blue when you do this on your computer. Click that button, and then you will have another button show up in the middle top just asking you if you want to add it. Go ahead and click add, and what will happen is then in that upper corner you're going to have a new button added to your toolbar, and it is your Google URL shortener. It does all the work for you. So at this point, go ahead, go to your teacher homepage on code.org. I got there by going to code.org. I went ahead and signed in as myself, so you'll see that it says hi Cheryl because I know this is me. I went to the teacher homepage. I then went to the student accounts and progress page by clicking on that link, and that took me to my class. My class only has 2 students in it. Those are my kids, but at least that gives you an example of what your page will look like. Then at this point, you're going to notice there's a URL at the bottom underneath the students. You may have to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and that is your sign-in page for your students. They have this long URL that they would have to type in to the Omnibox. What I want you to do is click on yours. Once you click on it, a new page is going to open up. You'll notice that this page is for Isaac and Grace for them to log in at code.org. And they still have this really long URL that they would have to type in. But we have the solution. Come on over to this side of your toolbar and click on that new Google URL shortener. When you click on it, up comes a different but shorter URL that I would write up on your whiteboard or write it down on cards for your kids, but it is the link for the kids to go to their login page directly. It is shorter and it is easier for them to type in. It is case sensitive though, so you will notice in mine there's a capital B, a capital K, and a capital W, and they'll need to make sure they do that. Another option on this page is to actually click on the QR code, and you can actually have a scannable code for the kids to log in. This is handy if they have an iPad or iPhone that they would be coding on at home, and they could scan the barcode, or I should say the QR code, and go directly to their login page. So again, let me quickly go over that. You're going to the Chrome Web Store. You're going to search for the Google URL shortener, add it. It will show up in your toolbar. Go to code.org and log in. Find the long URL at the bottom of the page that the kids will need and click on that link. Once you click on that link, the page will open. This is where you do the shortening of the URL. Click on our new extension, and up pops your shortened URL. Keep in mind it's not going to change. Again, write it on the board or maybe copy it and give it to the kids. And if the kids have a QR code reader, then they have the option you could print that piece out and the kids could scan and go directly to their login. I hope that's helpful. I hope it at least gets you going a little bit in the direction of understanding the URL shortener and making it easier for your kids. And I hope that your son is doing better and that we will be able to meet up soon and talk all that technology and computers and coding. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks.